Hello students, welcome back to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School. I am Manjusha Pal, you are studying maths with me. In our previous classes, we have covered chapter 1, that was more on large number, in which we have discussed 8-digit, 9-digit numbers, right? So here today we are going to start chapter 2, operations on large numbers. Operations on large numbers. So in mathematics there are 4 operations. There are 4 operations in mathematics. You all are aware of these operations. This is plus sign. It is used in addition. Addition. This is minus sign, used in subtraction. This is multiplication sign. It is used to multiply two numbers. And this is division. Used for division sign. Used to divide or show the division. Okay. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These 4 are the operations in mathematics. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions are the operations in mathematics. So in this chapter we are going to discuss addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on large numbers. I hope now you got the meaning of this word operation on large number. Operation means, in mathematics, operation means what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are called operation. These are the symbols for the operations, various operations. Okay. Now you understand the name of the chapter. In this chapter we are going to discuss 5 exercises. One is based on 4 exercises. One is based on addition and subtraction topic. Exercise 2.2 is based on multiplication. Exercise 2.3 is based on division. And in exercise 2.4, that is last exercise of this chapter, we will learn average. Okay, to find the average of the number or average of the data. Right? So let's start. As our first exercise is based on addition and subtraction, so let us recall some terms related to addition and subtraction. You already are aware with those terms, but for revising, just for revising purpose, I am repeating. Terms related to addition. Related to addition. Okay, suppose I want to add 2 numbers. I have 2 numbers, 300 plus 200. Okay, I want to add 300 to 200, right? So what I will do, I will arrange these 2 numbers in columns, ones, tens, hundreds. I arrange both the numbers in column. Then which operation we are performing here? We are performing addition. So I will put this plus symbol over here and then I will add. We always start adding from the ones column. So add the digits in ones column. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. And next hundreds column, add the digits. 3 plus 2 is 5. Right? This is how we do the division. Now this 300 and 200, these 2 numbers are called added. 300 is first added and 200 is second added. And the result of addition, this is our result of addition. So the result of addition is called sum. So terms related to addition are added and sum. The result of addition is called sum. And the numbers to be added are called addends. The numbers to be added are called addends. Okay. addition and subtraction of large number are performed in the same manner. As you have done addition and subtraction of the 3 digits, 4 digit numbers, right? Here the process is same to add or subtract the number for large number also. Okay, what are the terms related to addition? Addends and sum. The result of addition, 500 is our result here, so it is called sum. Result is called sum. And the numbers to be added, here 300 and 200, two number we have, we want to add them, so 300 and 200 are called addends. The numbers to be added are called addends. 300 is first addend and 200 is the second addend, right? I hope you understand the terms. Now terms related to, now recall terms related to subtraction, now tell me what terms are related to the subtraction. Suppose we have two numbers, right? Let's take example. We have two numbers, 400 and 100. You want to subtract 100 from the 400, right? So what you will do? You will arrange both the number column wise first. So hundreds, tens and ones. First number is 400. 400. Which one is larger out of these two? 400 or 100? Which one is larger number? 400 is larger. So we remember in subtraction we always write. Larger number at top, at first position. Okay, so I have written 400 at first, then 100 is a smaller number, so I will write it in the second row. Okay, now you have arranged the numbers column wise. Now see which operation you are going to perform. You are going to perform subtraction, so you will put minus symbol. Okay, now start subtracting. Always start subtraction from the ones column. Okay, 0 minus 0 means 0. Now move to the tens column. In tens column, two digits are there, 0 and 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Hundreds column, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Now what we call this number and this number? Okay, 300 is our result. 300 is our result of subtraction. So result of subtraction is called difference. Result of subtraction is called difference. Result of addition is called sum. Result of subtraction is called difference. Okay. Here in addition both the numbers are called, the numbers to be added are called addends. Right? First addend and second addend. Here the larger number is called minuend. The larger number is called minuend. And the number to be subtracted, here the number 100 is to be subtracted from 400. So the number to be subtracted is called subtrahend. The number to be subtracted is called subtrahend. Right? So these addend and sum are related to which? Addition. And minuend, subtrahend and difference are related to the subtraction. So we remember the numbers to be added are called addends and the result of addition is called sum. The larger number is, in subtraction case, the larger number is called minuend and the number to be subtracted is called subtrahend. And the result of subtraction is called difference. Okay, I hope you got the terms. Now open exercise 2.1. Open your book, exercise 2.1, page number 21. open book page number 21, exercise 2.1 on book page number 21, open book page number 21. Okay, first question is add the following. So let us do it. Question number 1. I know you all guys know how to add the numbers very well, so I will perform only 2 questions of this. Okay, the remaining questions you have to do by yourself. So let's do part A. 78,91,253 first added plus 4,95,865 the other added. 2 numbers are given over in the question. These are the addends, right? The numbers to be added are called addends. So 2 addends are given. What is the process to add? First of all, you will arrange both the numbers in column. So arrange them. 10 lakhs, 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens and ones. First 253 and the next number 4,95,865. Now add them. Be remember, do not put plus symbol here. It is the wrong way. You cannot put plus symbol here. Okay, or you cannot put plus symbol over here. It is also the wrong way. Always put the plus symbol just left. It is the left side of the your last number. Left side of the last number. Okay. Now start adding. Always start addition from the ones column. It is our ones column, so start adding these 2 digits. 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 6, 5 plus 6, how many? 11. So 1 here, 1 is regrouped with the next column. I know you all are aware of the addition, so I am not going to explain that much. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 8, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is 11 again. So you cannot write 2 digits. You cannot write 11 like this here. Okay, right? So what you will do? You will write 1 here, and the next one will be regrouped with the next column. Be remember, you have to write the carries or borrow in the circle. Okay, as I am writing. Now add the digits in the thousands column. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. So 8 here, 1 is regrouped with the next column. Now add 1 plus 8, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 4. Tell me fast, 9 plus 4 is 13. So you will write 3 here and 1 carry with the next column. Now 1 plus 7 is 8. So it is our answer, and the result, it is our answer, and result of addition is called sum. What is it? It is sum. What is it? Addend. So in each question you have to write this. In each question you have to write the addend and the sum. Okay, it is your answer. It is your answer. Now I am doing question number F. I have done A. Now I am doing question number F. The remaining, that is B, C, D, E, you have to do by yourself. Okay. So let's do the F. I am directly arranging in the column wise. Lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. The first added is 65 lakh 41,855. 4. The next addend is 9,58,421, and the third addend is, here 3 addends are given, 4,52,144. Now what you have to do, you have to add these 3 addends, right? What is this addend? What is this addend? What is this addend, right? Now we want to add all these 3 addends. So what you will do, you have arranged the numbers in column. Now put the plus symbol. Should I put it here? No, it is the wrong way to put the symbol. Should I put it here? As here I put the symbol left to the last, so you cannot put here the plus. Be remember, you have to put the plus symbol where? Left to the last number, left to the last addend. Okay, so here 4,552,144 is our last addend, so I am putting plus symbol left to this number. Okay, now add from the ones column. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 4, count fast, 5 plus 4, 9, good. Now add the digits in tens column. 5 plus 2 plus 4, add fast, 5 plus 2 plus 4, 11. So 1 here and 1 is regrouped with the next column. Now add this 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. Tell me the answer fast. 14, right? So write 4 here and 1 is regrouped with the next column. Now add the digits in the thousands column. Add 1 plus 1 plus 8 plus 2. Right, 12 is there, so 2 here and 1 is regrouped with the next column. Now add the digits in the 10,000 place. 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5. Yes, 1 plus 4 is 5, again 5, 10 and 5, 15. So 5 here, 1 is regrouped with the next column. Now add these digits in the next column. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 6 plus 9. Fast count. Its total is 19. So 9 here, 1 is regrouped with the next column. That is last column, 10 lakhs column. 1 plus 6, 1 plus 6 is 7. Now it is your result, it is your answer. So the result of addition is called sum. The result of addition is called sum. Okay, our first question is over here. You have to do B, C, D and E by yourself. Okay, what is the process? First you will arrange the given numbers, given addends in columns, then put the symbol and then perform the operation. If addition is there, you will perform addition. You add these numbers. If here minus symbol is there, then you have to subtract the numbers. Now come to the question number 2. Now come to question number 2. That is on page number 22. See what is the question number 2. Question number 2 is subtract the following. Now here you have to, you can see that minus sign is there. You have to perform subtraction here. Okay. Question number 2, subtract the following. Part A, the given number is 89,21,352 minus 4,85,189. right? Let's start solving it. Solution. First you will arrange both the numbers column wise. Which number you will write first? I told you which number you will write first. The larger number. In subtraction be remember, the larger number you will write it first. Okay. So first let me write the place values. 10 lakh, 10,000s place, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place and ones place. Okay, let me write which one is the larger number. It is starting from the 10 lakhs place and it is starting from the lakhs place. So obviously the first number is the larger number here, so I will write it first. 89 lakh, 21,352. And the second number is 4 lakh. 4 lakh, 85,189. Now, which operation we are performing here? We are performing subtraction, right? We are performing subtraction. So, I will put the minus symbol here. Okay, now start subtracting. Start from the ones column. When you subtract, you cannot subtract 9 from the 2. Okay, so what you will do? You have to take the borrow from the neighbor column. So you will take the borrow from the 5. It becomes 12. And as it gives tens to the 2, here only 4 is left. Okay. Now solve the ones column. 12 minus 9. Here now you have 12 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you are subtracting 9. You are removing 9. So remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You remove 9 sticks. Now count how many left. 1, 2 and 3. 3 sticks left. So I wrote 3 here. Okay. Now move to the tens column. In tens column you see that you have 4 sticks, digit 4. So draw 4 sticks. And you want to subtract 8 from the 4. So can you subtract 8? No, you have only 4 sticks. You cannot subtract 8 from it. So now what you have to do? You have to take borrow. You have to borrow. So it becomes 14 and as it gives borrow to the neighbor, here only 2 is left. Okay. Now solve tens column. 14 minus 8. So draw 14 sticks in rough work. It is rough work. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You have 14 sticks. Now remove 8 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have removed the 8 sticks. Now count how many left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sticks left? 6 sticks. So you will write 6 in tens column. Now move to the hundreds column. In hundreds column you see that 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1 will left. 1 minus 5. Again you cannot subtract from 1 to 5. Then you have to take borrow from this digit. So it becomes 11. As it gives borrow, only 1 is left over here. Now solve this 11 minus 5. Tell me the answer fast. 11 minus 5 is 6. Good. 1 minus 8. Again you cannot subtract 8 from the 1. So you will take borrow. It becomes 11. As it gives borrow, here only 8 is remain. Now 11. Solve the 10,000s column. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8. Tell me fast what is the answer. 11 minus 8. Right. 3 is your answer. Okay. Now move to the lakhs column. Lakhs column you see that 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Good. And here you see that in 10 lakhs column 8 minus nothing. 8 minus nothing. Nothing means 0 is here. So 8 minus 0 is 8. It is your result. Now tell me, it was the large number. What is the term used for the large number in subtraction? Minuend. Very good. Minuend. What is the term for the number to be subtracted from the minuend? Tell me fast. Subtrahend. Very good. Subtrahend. Okay. And what is it? It is your result. It is your answer, right? So answer or result is your result. So result is called, result of subtraction is called difference. So what is it? It is difference. Result of subtraction is called difference. Okay. Let's take one more question of the question number 2. Let's take F. Part F. I am directly arranging in columns. I am not writing the questions, okay? 10 lakhs, 10,000s place, 1000s place, 100s place, 10s place and 1s place. Okay? Now write the number. Which one is larger? First compare which one is larger, 52 lakh 14,120 or 23 lakh 19,857. Which one is larger? Right, 52 lakh 14,000. So I will write larger number first in subtraction. So I am writing 52 lakh 14,120 first. Okay. Then your next number is 23 lakh 19,857. Now which operation you are performing? Subtraction, so put minus symbol. Okay. Now start solving. You have 0. You have nothing. You cannot subtract 7 from nothing. So what you will do? You will take borrow. It becomes 10. Now you can subtract 7 from 10. Okay. It has given borrow, so here only 1 is left, right? Now solve the 1's column. 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5. You cannot subtract 5 from the 1. Then what you have to do? Take the borrow. So here 0 left. If you give 1 to it, it becomes 11. Now solve. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5, how much? If you have confusion, you want to remove 5 from the 11, so draw 11 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Minus 5. So 5 sticks removed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove these 5 sticks and count the sticks which are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sticks are left. So you will write 6 in 10's column. Okay. Now move to the 100's column. Solve it. You cannot subtract 8 from the 0. Okay. So what you will do? You will take borrow from the neighbor's column. It becomes 10. And here only 3 is left as it has given borrow. Now subtract 8 from the 10. 2 is left. Now move to the 1000's column. In 1000's column you see that you want to subtract 9 from the 3. You cannot subtract 9 from the 3. So what you have to do? 13 minus 9. How much left? 13 minus 9. 4. It has given borrow. 0 left here. You cannot subtract 1 from the 0. So you will take borrow from here. Here 1 is left. It becomes 10. Okay. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. 1 minus 3. You cannot subtract 3 from the 1. So what you have to do? You have to take the borrow. It becomes 11 when you take borrow from here. And here 4 is left. Now solve next column. 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. Now solve the last column. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Good. So this is how we do the subtraction. What is the process? First arrange the numbers column wise, then put the symbol and then perform subtraction. Okay. The larger number in subtraction is called minuend. The second number which you want to subtract from the minuend is called subtrahend. And this is your answer of subtraction. The result of subtraction is called difference. Okay. So what is your homework? Question 1 and question 2. B, C, D, E. Here also B, C, D, E. So in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 questions you have to do in your copy. Remember you have to write these terms also. Okay. So our today's class is over here. We will meet in the next class. Till then, complete your work in the classwork copy. Bye bye.